After spending hours, days, or weeks configuring your NIR-O analyzer with Omniview, it's of the utmost importance to save your work to protect against catastrophic data loss should your disk drive fail or the database become corrupted. Configuration data includes all analyzer and channel settings, methods, third-party model files, schedules, and DCS Modbus I/O definitions. To begin, it's best to stop any running schedule. Open the schedule screen, lock the analyzer, and take the running schedule offline. Initiating a full configuration backup is very simple. Go to the Analyzer Setup screen and click Backup System Setup. Browse to the location where you want to save the configuration file. Also, set the name to something that you'll remember. Once you're satisfied with the location and name of the backup file, click Backup to start the process. If that file name already exists, it's going to prompt you whether or not you want to overwrite it. In this case, I do. You can track the status of the backup process by watching the status bar. Saving the entire configuration to a file will take several minutes. In this demonstration, I am running the Omniview client on my desktop computer, and so the backup file has been created on my disk drive. Please take note that if you are running Omniview on the analyzer computer, the backup file will be written onto that computer's disk drive. It is extremely important, and I cannot overstate the importance of this enough, to copy the backup file onto another computer or onto a flash drive so that it will be safe should the analyzer computer disk drive fail or you have a otherwise catastrophic computer failure. Please do not forget this step. Now, let's imagine that we have experienced a disk failure and we've had to reinstall Omniview. Don't worry, we will perform that reinstallation for you if this situation should arise. You have Omniview installed, but there is no configuration. Here's how you can restore the configuration contained in the backup file. Once again, I'm running Omniview on a remote computer, remote from the analyzer computer. If you are running Omniview on the analyzer computer, you will need to copy the backup file onto the analyzer computer or insert the USB flash drive containing the backup file. Once again, make sure the analyzer is locked, which it is here. And then go to the Analyzer Setup screen, where we are here. Click Restore System Setup. Now, pay very close attention to the text on this dialog that comes up. We want to restore from the file we previously wrote, so select No on this screen. Selecting Yes will try to restore from an automatic backup, but in this case we want to restore from the configuration file that we created earlier. So click No. Browse to the location of the backup file and select it. There. Omniview gives you one last opportunity to change your mind. If you are certain, click Yes. Once again, you can track the progress by watching the status bar. When finished, Omniview will close all windows. And once again, this can take several minutes. At this point, all of the configuration contained in the backup file has been restored. To prove that, I'm going to go to a channel where I know I have some methods, and you see that all the methods are there.